What's up everyone? Today, I'll show you how to get your voice chat dialed in with push to talk on the controller. First, launch Fortnite and hit Options or Menu on your controller to open the main settings. Scroll over to the gear icon for settings. Then switch over to the Communications tab along the top. Under Audio, find Voice Chat Method. By default, it's Open Mic, so let's change that. As you can see here, I've already switched it to push to talk, but you can easily change this by pressing left or the right button. Next, you want to assign the push to talk button. Let's go to the controller mapping. It is indicated by the D-pad icon up top. Let's look for the push to talk button, the voice chat bind for controller. Okay. Then press A to choose the button that we want to change. I like using L3 for this one. That's when you click or press on the left analog stick. But you can choose whatever's comfy for you. Let's just set it to L3 for now. This means you hold L3 whenever you want to speak. Release to go silent. No more background noise. And there you have it. A quick, clean way to manage your comms. If this guide helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more Fortnite tips. See you out there.